Well, on the right here is my Andycine A6 Plus 4K, and on the left is my Canon M50. And so what comes with the Andycine is this 2-foot long cable. The reason behind this, they usually have this on top of the camera monitor. And I come to find out about 2 weeks of doing that, I really don't like it, because I like to put lights and other gadgets like this RGB light from Terion. All this stuff will be down below in the description if you're interested. But this is RGB and a white light. So oops, actually turned it on. There you go. So I usually like to have a light up here. And so in the way like I said before, the way I videotape everything, I want to see myself, make sure that I'm in frame. So I want to separate these two. So that's the reason I bought this. This is what came with my Andycine. It's a 2-foot long cable. So, and that's the reason I bought this. I'll probably order another one, but make it a little bit longer so I can have more versatility and move the monitor further away. But really quick, I don't want to make this a video too long. All I have to do is on the right side of my camera cable here, there's a HDMI input. Now on my M50, it's going to be probably different from your brand or model. But on this, unfortunately on the M50 here, when I plug in an external monitor, the main LCD screen here turns off, which I don't like. And so I can control autofocus on here. And so what I usually do is I turn everything on, get my focus straight by tapping on my subject, and then I plug it in, because even though this is touchscreen, this camera doesn't allow control from here. And so in your camera, your brand might be different. So that's the only thing I don't like about the M50. And volume. I can't monitor my my sound from here to this. What I usually do here is turn it on. So if I was gonna, let's pretend we're framing a subject, which is the this camera, this nifty 50 here. Let's get that in frame. There we go. See, I don't know if you can see it. Camera might be too far away. Focus is in. And so this is what I do. So once I turn it on, it'll switch over to here. This will turn off. That will turn on. And you should see the white square showing that it's in focus. There you go. So as you can see, it works great, the cable. So, and this is a 4K. The camera's 4K, but I don't use it for 4K. It's really really shaky. But you can see it's in frame. The focus is on. But so it seems to be a little thicker than this is the factory Andycine cable. So it looks a little thicker. Feels robust. Is that even the proper term for it? So that's it. If you like this video, looking for an HDMI to a mini HDMI, I'll have the link down below. Here's another way to use the cable. So here, I'll be sitting down here. I'd have a chair here. And I have the camera high. If I had the monitor up here, I'd have to, if I wasn't sure, I'd have to stand up and just to look to see if I'm in frame. So now I have it down low here. I'm in frame, see, focused in. This is the subject. It works. I don't have to get up and look up here, see if I'm in frame. I can just kind of, while I'm doing my review here, I can glance over. Oh yeah, I'm not in the shot. Let me move up, you know. That's the reason I bought this cable for. And of course, I can move the cable over here. If you guys know of a wireless option that doesn't cost a lot and gets rid of this, that would be an option for me. Please leave a note down in the comments. But that's it. Just wanted to add this to the video. If you find this video interesting, please give it a like. Check out the rest of my channel. And give it a sub. Appreciate it. You guys have a good day. Bye-bye.